In bed this morning and my mum came up and plunked on my bed. I was like, oh, it's there. So let's get on with this video. Don't forget to hit that notification button and hit subscribe. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Hismile teeth whitening kit. How amazing is that? It came really nice. It says thank you. Don't even really want to rip this packaging. Hold on. Oh, that's really nicely packaged, that. So let's open the first product. That's brilliant. So I've got a little letter. Let's look at this firstly. So this is the toothpaste. This is actually really nice packaging. Packaging makes me buy a product. If the packaging isn't good, I'm not going to buy it. There's not many people out there who just like the packaging. Like, whoever's stupid like me. But yeah, and I actually like it. That, oh my god. Oh my goodness, that is so nice. I cannot wait to be using that. Wow. Let's move on to this. I don't actually know what these are, because I didn't order them, but yeah, it says Hismile. Like, let's just read this out. Watermelon flavour, and they are gum based. I don't actually know if they are for your gums or for your breath. Let's open it and taste it. Oh, it's gum. Let's try one of them. And the watermelon, they actually look really nice. Amazing. Dude, they're so watermelon-y. I love it. Like, let's see how long it lasts. I'll tell you if it doesn't. Here is the actual Hismile. I won't be saying hi to my smile because look at me smile. Open up. Let's open up the actual product. So let's just... I'm gonna show you guys first. Okay, now I'm gonna have a look. Share your toothpaste journey with all that Hismile. So what colour do you think my tooth is? I actually don't know. I think I'm about a 9. And I want to get to a 1. So yeah, get in there. So then, oh. Here's the actual, I'm not going to lie, but I do not know how to use this. So is this the mouth shield? So I'll put that on. I'm not going to do it now, because I still need to eat. I still need to eat my breakfast. So I'll probably do this tonight, and I'll update you on my Instagram and Snapchat. My Instagram is JoshuaCorrin19 and my Snapchat is JoshuaCorrin191. I'll put it in my mouth, but I'm not going to put none of the gel stuff in. So you get the 3 tubes. This is a 6-day course, so I'm going to be doing it for 6 days, and if I like it, I'm going to get more. But Hismile is amazing. Your customer service is amazing. This is just an amazing company. I'm not just saying that. I'm actually being serious. Oh. Well, that's a mistake, isn't it? Oh. I think I broke it, guys. Okay. I have to take this little thing off the batteries, but I ended up opening it. Okay. Don't like that feature, Hismile. Okay. So let's press the button. Now what to do? Oh no, me chewy. Wow, that's very bright. So yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to using this product, guys. Thanks Hismile for getting back to me. So far, I rate yours the best. Everyone was like everyone bit like, ooh, is it worked? But I'm gonna be true. If it works, I'll tell you. If it doesn't, I'm gonna tell you. Because what's the point in lying? What's the point in going and getting it done and then saying it's Hismile? I'm not gonna lie, so I hope it's right. And also, the chewy has still got a bit of watermelon in it. I can still taste it. Not as strong as what it was, but it's still there. So guys, this concludes the video. It brings it to an end now. I hope you enjoyed this video because I have. This is going to be my best video yet. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and comment if you enjoyed. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.